as a balloon shoots up through the stony ground. There's no room.
How you feeling about the skydive, Amy? Don't worry about that, yeah?
Huh? Sorry?
Feeling all good? Ready to jump out of a plane?
Yeah, I'm ready, I think.
Excited?
Excellent.
A little bit nervous?
I'm afraid.
Yeah, good.
I'm afraid.
We all are.
Of course.
Anyone you want to say hello to at all?
My friends, I love you. I love all of you. And I love my boyfriend. And then my band is going to have a show tonight, so good show, Toby.
Awesome. Let's get up there, have some fun.
Sky falls, you feel like it's a beautiful day. So let it get away on the road. But you got no destination, you're in the mud. In a maze of her imagination, your love is down. Even if that doesn't ring true, you've been all over, and it's been all over you. It's a beautiful day. So let it get away. It's a beautiful day. Touch me, take me to that other place. Teach me, I know I'm not a hopeless case. See the world in green and blue. See China right in front of you. See the canyons broken by cloud. See the tuna fleets clearing the sea out. See the bedroom fires at night. See the oil fields at first light. And see the bird with a leaf in her mouth. After the flood, all the colors came out. It was a beautiful day. So let it get away. Beautiful day.
Can I get your hand to ride on? Just a piece of leg to bite on. What a night to fly my kite on. Do you wanna flash a light on? Take a look, it's on display for you. Coming down all night today. Did you meet your fortune teller? Get it off with no propeller. Do it up, it's on with Stella. What a way to finally smell her. Pick it up, it's not too strong for you. Take a piece and pass it on.
amazing up there?
I love him. I love him.
Awesome.
She loves me.
I think she had fun. Quick thumbs up. Thanks for the jump, guys.